I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do this. It's super insane, guys. So if you have any problems, drop them down below in the comments. I'm going to be sure to get back to you guys and help you fix your issues. So what's going on, crew? Today I'm going to show you guys how to get the Jenny's mod for Minecraft. So what you want to do is go to zoomods.com, and this site has tons of mods. So just type in Jenny's mod, and there it is. So before it downloads, there's going to be a verification. So this is the last step. Basically, you just need to download 2 apps and follow instructions, and then the Jenny's mod should be installed into your phone. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load. So as you can see, guys, it's loading right here. So it's super cool. So we'll just give it a second. You can see it's loading up. So all we have to do is download 2 of these apps, and then we're going to be done. So as you can see, it says missing files. So basically, you just want to download 2 of the apps. You can see like Family Island says reach level 11. It's a game, so I could do that. TikTok, down and run for 30 seconds. Evertail, Travel Town, you got to reach level 9. So just make sure you download 2 of the apps, and then the Jenny's mod should download onto your phone. There's also a video to watch, so it's super cool, guys. So if you like to play Jenny's mod on PC, now there's a way to download it on mobile. So make sure you guys go to zoomods.com, and you're going to be all set, guys. This is the best website to get Jenny's mod for iOS and Android. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, but yeah, definitely tell your friends about it, because a lot of people don't know about this. It's like a secret, but yes, it actually works. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, guys. This is super cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, but yeah, I mean, I've tried a couple other tutorials, and this is the only real way to get Jenny's mod for iOS and Android. So if you guys are tired of being poor and not having Jenny's mod on mobile, now you can actually play it on iOS and Android. So just make sure you download 2 of the apps. You're going to be all set. So I'm going to see you guys later, but that's how I get Jenny's mod for your device. So zoomods.com, guys, be sure to try it out. I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, tell your friends. This is really very good to have Jenny's mod for iOS and Android, guys.